Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a small claims case in Florida. First, you need to determine if your case meets the criteria for small claims court. In Florida, these courts handle civil disputes where the amount in controversy does not exceed $8,000, excluding costs and interest. Next, identify the correct county for filing, which is usually where the defendant resides or where the event occurred. Finally, gather all relevant documents and evidence to prepare your case. Once you've confirmed your case qualifies, the next step is preparing your documents. You'll need to complete a statement of claim form, which is available from the Clerk of Court's office. Be sure to fill it out accurately, including the full names and addresses of all parties involved. There are filing fees associated with this process, so be prepared to pay them or inquire about a fee waiver if eligible. Proper documentation is crucial for a smooth process. After filing, the defendant must be formally notified through a process called service of process. This typically involves a sheriff or certified process server delivering the documents. Once served, a pretrial conference will be scheduled. You should prepare your arguments and evidence for this informal hearing. The court may refer your case to mediation to attempt a settlement, or a trial date will be set if no agreement is reached. Be ready to present your case. If you win your case, the court will issue a judgment stating the amount the losing party must pay. However, obtaining a judgment is not the same as collecting it. You may need to take further steps, such as obtaining a writ of garnishment or placing a lien on property to enforce the judgment. Be mindful of the time limits for collection, as judgments don't last forever. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.